Hello friends, today we are going to start new topic which is the history of novel. In this lecture we are going to cover in detail about the history of the novel. The 18th century has gifted English literature entirely two new forms, which is one is the periodical essays and another is the novel. 18व्या शतकाने इंग्लिश लिटरेचरला एक देणगी दिलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये 18व्या शतकामध्ये दोन नवीन लिटरेचरचे साहित्याचे प्रकार उदयास आले. त्यातला एक म्हणजे पिरियॉडिकल एसेज आणि दुसरा म्हणजे नॉवेल. Both of these forms, especially novel, caught the spirit of the 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental, realistic plane and tried to instruct the reader which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. Since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. जसं की म्हटलं की 18व्या शतकामध्ये नॉवेल म्हणजे कादंबरीचा उदय झाला. 18वे शतक हे एज ऑफ इंटलेक्च्युअल, एज ऑफ सेंटिमेंटल, एज ऑफ रिअलिस्टिक म्हणून सुद्धा ओळखलं जातं. कादंबरीचा उदय झाल्यापासूनच त्याला खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात प्रसिद्धी मिळत गेली आणि आज तर हे एक डॉमिनंट लिटररी जॉनरा म्हणून ओळखलं जातं. What do you mean by novel? The word novel is derived from the Italian word novella, meaning new. Novel हे एक इटालियन वर्ड नॉवेला यावरून हे डिराइव्ड केलेलं आहे. त्याचा अर्थ आहे नवीन. नॉवेला meaning new. A novel is a realistically long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences normally in a prose form. A novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures and their activities. It creates the picture of the society of that time. Novel makes life easier to understand than in drama and poetry. In modern era, novel has adapted literary prose. जस्ट मी आताच म्हटलं की नॉवेल हा इटालियन वर्ड आहे ज्याचं मीनिंग आहे न्यू. नॉवेल एक लॉंग नॅरेटिव्ह फिक्शन आहे. फिक्शन, व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन फिक्शन अँड पोएम? कथा, कादंबरी, कविता ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, हे जे एखादा एक्सपिरियन्स ज्यावेळेस आपण नॅरेट करतो आपल्या भाषेमध्ये त्याला आपण कादंबरी किंवा साहित्य म्हणतो. या नॉवेलमध्ये आपण एक स्टोरी सांगत असतो ज्याच्यामध्ये काळ, ठिकाण, तिथे राहणारे लोक, त्यांचे गेस्चर्स, त्यांच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ह्याच्याबद्दल डिस्क्राईब केलेलं असतं आणि त्या काळामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी राहणारी सोसायटी, त्यांचे लाईफस्टाईल याच्याबद्दल पर्टिक्युलरली नॉवेलमध्ये आपल्याला चित्रण आठवतं. नॉवेल हे मोठ्या प्रमाणात पॉप्युलर का झालं? नॉवेल हे ड्रामा अँड पोएट्रीपेक्षाही इझिली आपण अंडरस्टँड करून घेऊ शकतो. सो आजसुद्धा मॉडर्न एरामध्ये नॉवेल हे एक लिटररी प्रोज म्हणून ॲडॅप्ट करण्यात आलेलं आहे. History of the novel. When the novel started, the writing novel as a literary genre has a history of about 200 years. Among the early precursors of novel, a collection of tales known as Greek romances dating for the 2nd to 6th century may top the list. Friends, जस्ट तुम्हाला मी म्हटलं की 18व्या शतकामध्ये नॉवेल खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये फ्लरिश झालं, त्याची ग्रोथ झाली. पण याचा अर्थ असा नाही की फक्त पहिल्यांदा 18व्या शतकामध्येच नॉवेल लिहिलं गेलं. तर 200 वर्षापूर्वी अगोदरच हे नॉवेल लिहायला सुरुवात झाली होती. ग्रीक रोमान्सेस किंवा फ्रॉम द 2nd century to 6th century आपल्याला आढळतात. Though novel in the modern era usually makes use of literary prose, the easier threads of the genre can be found in मॉडर्न एरामध्ये मात्र आपण व्हर्जिलच्या इकोलॉगमध्ये मेलॉरेज मॉटेडी ऑथर अँड जॉफ्री चॉसस द कॅन्टरबरी टेल्स याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला नॉवेलचं बिगिनिंग सापडतं. मुरासाकी शेकिबू टेल ऑफ गेंजी विच इज पब्लिश्ड इन 1010 has been described as the world's first novel. 1010 या वेळी टेल्स ऑफ गेंजी जे मुरासाकी शिकिबू यांनी लिहिलेली जी टेल्स ऑफ गेंजी आहे ही जगातली पहिली कादंबरी म्हणून ओळखली जाते. The European novel is often said to begin with the Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published into two parts between 1605 and 1615. डॉन क्विझोट ही स्पॅनिश रायटरची जी लिहिलेली नॉवेल आहे ही युरोपमधली फर्स्ट नॉवेल समजली जाते जी 2 पार्टमध्ये पब्लिश करण्यात आली. ज्याचा पहिला पार्ट हा 1605मध्ये आणि दुसरा पार्ट हा 1615मध्ये पब्लिश करण्यात आला. In the 18th century, the appearance of the newspaper and magazines attracted a large number of readers from the middle class. नॉवेल उदयाला जरी आलं असलं तरी त्याच वेळेस 18व्या शतकामध्ये न्यूजपेपर आणि मॅगझिन्ससुद्धा वाचकांचं लक्ष वेधून घेत होते, जे सामान्य नागरिकांचं लक्ष वेधून घेत होतं. The 18th century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion and imagination. मोस्टली जरी रोमॅन्टिक लिटरेचर हे पॉप्युलर समजलं जात असलं तरी 18th सेंचुरीमध्ये एक नव्या प्रकारचे समाज उदयाला आला असं म्हटलं तरी चालणार नाही, असं म्हटलं तरी चुकीचं ठरणार नाही. कारण त्यावेळचे लोक रोमान्स किंवा रोमॅन्टिक नॉवेल वाचण्यापेक्षा त्यांच्यामध्ये स्पिरिट ऑफ रिॲलिझम दिसलं. त्यांनी रोमॅन्टिक फीचर्सला रिजेक्ट केलं आणि त्यांनी नव्या ज्या रिॲलिझम याला ॲक्सेप्ट केलं आहे. बट आफ्टर 1740 नॉवेल ओरिजिनेटेड ॲज द लिटररी फॉर्म इन द इंग्लंड. 1740मध्ये इंग्लंडमध्ये नॉवेल हा लिटररी फॉर्म ओरिजिनेट झाला. Increase in trade and commerce along industrial revolution had given rise to the middle class. A class of people had emerged to occupy an elite status. The realistic picture of everyday life and problems of the common people depicted in the novels appealed to the newly educated class and was regarded by them as respectable reading material. This novel as a form appeared to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of the middle and the lower classes and meet their longings. 17व्या शतकामध्ये फक्त मिडल क्लास सोसायटीमधून वाचूनच नाही आहे तर ऑल क्लासचे पीपल हे नॉवेल वाचण्यासाठी उत्सुक होते अँड दे गिव्ह रिस्पेक्ट टू द नॉवल. The spread of the machines could provide a time to the educated middle class for the reading and discussions about the books. Drama and poetry were the two literary forms that were fading away. Novel was a combination of some features of them and some new features were added to the form. It was the prominent form in the 18th century and onwards to encompass the social, political and cultural happenings and scientific progress. Novels and novelists, which are the first novels, we can say that The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan, published in 1678, and Oronoco by Apera Ben, published in 1688, initiated plenteous and colorful tradition of the English novel. Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travel, Samuel Richardson's Pamela, also called as the Virtue Rewarded and Clarissa. These two are the epistolary novels which is flourished in the 17th century. These novels are called first novels in English literature. The tradition was enriched by many other stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and H.G. Wells. The 20th century is marked by the modern topics and innovative styles and techniques and widened angles of the views by the novelists like E.M. Foster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess. These are the beginners, we can say that, or who have given the contribution to the novel in that particular time. Uh, it means not that the women have not written the novel. Women also giving the contribution to the novels or to the literature. The contribution of women novelists to the great pageant cannot be neglected. The Novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney, Gothic novel by Anne Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley are landmark novels. Jane Austen has been ruling over the minds of the people through her novels. Bronte sisters Emily and Charlotte have created their own place by their incomparable work, The Wuthering Heights and Jane Grey. Mary Ann Evans, alias George Eliot, wrote the novel reflecting psychological insight. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on the crime. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple are the evergreen detective created by her. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison, and Alice Walker have elevated the tradition further to the prosperity. How India will remain away from that? Though Britishers rule over India for 150 years and they have lived their language as well as literature in our India. So Indian people also started to write or started to create their literature into English language. They started to use English language for the writing. So, Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in the Indian field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. The novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upmanyu Chatterjee emulated the Indian novel in English by adding new features of it. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much for listening me carefully.